Removing baseboard without damaging your wall. Start with a sharp utility knife. I score the caulk and paint line between the baseboard and the wall. This is essential. Without doing this first, it will never come away cleanly. Next, a putty knife works great for this. I simply tap it down. Sometimes my hand pressure worked, other times I have tapped it with a hammer, and you want to get it flat against the wall so you're not gouging the wall. This is called a mini pry bar. With the little gap that I've opened up there, I can tap in, push in my little mini pry bar. Once the baseboard is loosening up, I'm able to get my fingers in there and start to pry it away. This is a good method that will prevent the wall from being gouged. Just take your time, you'll get it. That's that paint and caulk line I was talking about before. Remove the remaining nails or brads that are in the wall. Here I am using my claw hammer against the wall, which could damage it, but I'm well below the baseboard trim line, so it would be covered. I'll give you a tip. If you do have damaged walls, you can install new baseboard trim that is wider than your existing baseboard trim, and it would cover anything without having to patch the walls.